I would like to ask, when did you start living here in Vinchan's experience?
We shifted here 2 years before, 2018 somewhere, June.
Okay, and how are you finding it living here?
This place is very good, quite beautiful, and I'm finding it really nice, and my social life and other things are really good, so I'm really finding it very good.
What attracted you to Vinchan's experience in particular?
There are plenty of things, so let me start with the facilities here. So facilities, if I see the recreational facilities, like it has a very good clubhouse which has swimming pool and even billiards table, tennis courts, squash courts, and table tennis, library, everything is there. Apart from that, we have good theater also, where we can bring in our pen drive and watch a movie on the big screen. These are the quite good attraction, and then after that, the building is also a very good house and flats. If you see, it is quite spacious, and it gives us a very good atmosphere. Wind is also very good here, that we really like, and it has plenty of space inside where we can walk around. 1 kilometer round is there. Then we have skywalk also, which is on the 8th floor, which connects all building together. So these are attractions for me to move here.
So why did you decide to move here?
Here, particularly this location, I find it quite attractive for me. Like my office is very nearby. I go to Udyog Vihar, which is just 8 kilometers away. It takes me around 15 to 20 minutes in the peak hours. So that's one thing, and then it's proximity to airport, proximity to Dwarka. So you can say that being isolated, at the same time it is nearer to many good things like airport where we usually go. So even markets are quite nearby. So these are the things actually which makes it a good location.
So, ma'am, how are you finding it living here?
Yeah, it's fantastic. This experience is very good here.
Okay, and what are the things which you like about this place?
Particularly, I am a nature lover, so I like the fields which are here, and other things like wind is good, and there is no pollution at all. So that is the major attraction I am finding here.
So, how are the systems in place over here? The security and the house service and everything?
They are also good. You can say 3 layer of security I found here. Main gate also, they use the web camera. They call us before any visitor is coming. Then at the building level also, and then at our flat level also web camera is there, so we can see who is first coming, who is not. Apart from that, we have Society Connect also, where we get the notification any visitor is moving, we have to approve, then only he will be allowed to enter. So security system is very good, and with Society Connect, it's an application where you can raise any complaint, and I think within half an hour people are coming and attending the problems, be it electrical, be it carpentry, or say plumbing, and also good staff, and it is outsourced. This facilities management is outsourced, so this is quite efficient.
So you're finding it very convenient to live here?
Yeah, very convenient. Otherwise, in the previous place, if you ask me, we had to call on our own people, we had to pay them, but here at least it is all part of living here.
how are the parking facilities over here? Because what we usually see in Delhi, there is a lot of hassle for finding a parking space for your car. So
Parking is plenty, because still people are moving in, and for each flat they have kept a provision of at least 2 parking. So in my previous place I was having 1 parking and I had 2 cars. So for that other car I had to take parking on say rent. But here I found it that it is available with my own flat.
and ma'am, how do you find the social systems? What all activities are there for the family?
For family, they here they celebrate all the festivals with very good zeal, and we have your ladies club. We have like kitty parties are happening, and where cultural community is run by ladies only, and they also organize various things like Dandiya night is coming, and it's very like we all are very active here, and we keep ourselves busy. So it's a good social circle.
Great. So how are you finding the people over here? Are they welcoming and friendly, or?
Yeah, they are quite welcoming actually, and because it's a new society, new buildings, so everyone is new and they are in the need of making friends. So when I walk around, people greet each other, and even sometimes I'm moving in one direction, people are coming in other direction. They change their course and they join me, and they introduce themselves. So this is a unique thing which I really like about it, and I'm able to make many friends here in these 2 years of time.
So if someone wants to come and start living here, what would be your suggestion to them?
They must move, I think. This is a very cost-effective proposal for them, and buildings are very good at these attractive rates. They can buy this house, and it has an appreciation opportunity also for these flats. And with this kind of facilities, I think it is a good decision for anybody to move in.
I would like to add one thing about this project. Is you can say is a luxury in the lap of nature. This is the USP of this project.
Great experience here at Experion Wind Chance, and the most impressive thing is this 1.4 kilometer skywalk. I mean, I've never seen anything like this, and the amenities that are around this skywalk, really amazing amenities, making this really a wonderful place to live.